Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. It's always good to exercise caution and use restricted mode if you want to filter out potentially mature content, especially if you are sharing YouTube with young viewers. However, if you feel restricted mode is unnecessary or interfering with your viewing experience, follow these steps to disable restricted mode on YouTube. First, make sure you are logged into your YouTube account. So once you are logged in, click on your profile picture or menu icon in the top right corner of the screen to access the YouTube menu. So click here. From the drop down menu, click on restricted mode. Currently it's on. So click on it. Now toggle the switch to off position. So click on it. So if we again click on profile picture, you can see restricted mode is now off. You have successfully disabled restricted mode on YouTube. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos.